Down.
Well, I know he likes to play some random squash, Hesham, but he's really got to get a grip of this match, I think. He's 6 game balls down in this first game.
Stroke to El Shorbagy.
Well, again, some good anticipation from Shorbagy down the backhand side.
Shorbagy leads 1 game to love.
Oh, that's a great rally.
Wow. That's good passion there, Beach.
3-4.
3-4 in the second game. It was like he'd had match ball.
No, but he's having some success with his attack. He's taken some balls into the front right, which have been extremely accurate, and he's kept the ball out of the tin. And he's a lot better when he's doing his work from in front of Shorbagy rather than trying to create things from behind him. Oh, they don't seem to be. They don't seem to get on too well, these two.
Well, no, I think with that celebration though as well, he did it quite
Carry
close.
on, Mr. Shorbagy, please.
He's allowed to do that.
Yeah, I know. He just made,
you
know, he just said something to him, you know, that basically it's not match ball what you're doing, and obviously they're just chatting to each other now.
Well, I'm not sure what he was doing there. Oh, that's a great shot. Ah, see, yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right, Joey.
5-3.
Based on that reaction, I think that you actually called that absolutely spot on.
Down. 11-4.
So Hamid El Shorbagy straight out of the side door.
Shorbagy leads 2 games to love.
So Shorbagy back to a 2-point advantage at 6-4.
Oh, there's another gift. El Shorbagy will be coming into the heart of the tournament, Beach. The last 8 quarterfinals, unbelievably fresh.
Oh, that's a great shot.
All balls good.
Shorbagy just questioning if the ball was good, but it looked more than good from here.
7-10.
Beautiful shot. And that one goes into the tin. So, that's a very interesting handshake as well from these two. So Mohamed El Shorbagy books his place in the quarterfinals with a 37-minute 3-0 victory. 11-4, 11-4, 11-8. Great shot, Gaultier.
6-4.
Oh, he just gets so low. It's beautiful, isn't it?
So 5-9 in this first. I'm sure Coppinger's going to make Gaultier really work for it. He's going to lose this first game.
No.
That was a bit lucky there from Coppinger.
Lucky, give him some credit.
Well, it was a bit lucky, wasn't it? I mean, it wasn't.
That was a great shot.
It was a great shot, but he wasn't intentionally trying to hit just trying to get the ball back.
Then 6. Game to Routier. Routier leads 1 game to love.
That's a great shot. Terrific shot.
He's gaining confidence here, the Frenchman. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he? The actual movement side of the game, Gaultier just makes look so easy. Well, the lucky boast that you called quite early in the match, Joey, Coppinger just seems to have done it again, so
game ball.
He's either really lucky again or he's actually aiming for it. Well, he's just nearly at the 3-wall boast again, Joey, in this match so far. And
luck's not there for him on that boast.
And the ball just clips the tin from Coppinger, giving Gaultier the match. Gets off in 37 minutes, 3 games to love, 11-6, 11-4, 11-5.